We make such amazing food in the kitchen, from curries, dals, all sorts of dishes. But the big question is, what does it go well with? And I always suggest whether it's rice or chapati or naan. And yes, those recipes are on the channel, but I want to share a really, really good recipe. And since my mother is visiting, she makes this amazing jeera rice, which is so simple. And I thought, that will go well with so many of the dishes that I share with you guys. So we are making, or in fact, Mum is making jeera rice for us.
सबसे पहले हम गैस ऑन करेंगे। हाँ, फिर हम उसमें 2 टेबलस्पून घी डालेंगे।
Okay, so we have got some homemade ghee. You can find the recipe on the channel. It's easy peasy, and it'll add all the amazing flavors. So I'll leave the link in the description box for homemade ghee.
फिर घी हमारा गरम हो जाएगा। फिर उसमें हम ये जीरा, तेज पत्ता, दालचीनी और 2 काली बड़ी मिर्च,
2 black cardamom, 2 teaspoons of cumin, 3 to 4 bay leaves and a stick of cinnamon.
जब हमारा घी गर्म हो गया और हमने सारे मसाले डाल दिए, जब वो चटकने लगे तो उसके बाद हम उसमें हमने 400 ग्राम चावल लिए हैं जो धो के रखे हैं, उनको डाल देंगे।
Right, so chutney means sizzle. So once they sizzle up and you can smell it, don't burn it, we'll add 400 grams of basmati. 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of garam masala and just half a teaspoon of chili powder.
फिर उसमें 2 जितने चावल हों उससे डबल पानी डालकर उसको अच्छे से मिला के और ढक्कन लगा के ढक दीजिए।
So her way of cooking is that the amount of rice you have, you just double the amount of water. Obviously, I cook differently, but it's her recipe, so we're going with it. So so we've used 400 grams of rice. I'm going to add 800 ml of water. Easy, you definitely can remember that.
जब पानी डाल दिया, जब वो उबलने लगे, तब हम उसको कवर कर देंगे और 10 से 12 मिनट तक उसको ऐसे ही रहने देंगे। 10-12 मिनट में वो पक जाते हैं।
Okay, so bring it to a boil basically, cover and cook on really low heat for 10 to 12 minutes until all the water has been absorbed. Wow, look at that. The rice is cooked to perfection. While serving, you can get rid of all the whole spices. Oh my God, it smells so good. The jeera rice is such a great dish to eat your curries with. Just absolutely stunning. It's packed with flavor. As you can see, she's added so many spices and it's just delicious. So we are going to tuck in, and by chance today we've got some kadhai chicken at home, so we're eating it with some kadhai chicken. Of course, you can eat it with chicken curry, dal makhni, you can have it with tarka dal, you can have it with rajma, you can, oh my God. So basically every curry on this channel, you can have it with that. I am digging in, come on. Oh, there you go. Oh, it smells so good, and because it's made in ghee, it's got even more flavor of the ghee. Oh my God, it's so good. It is just, I have no words, just so good.
ना ज़्यादा मसाले, ना ज़्यादा मिर्च, बहुत ही tasty.
She's saying it's not spicy, it's not a lot of spices. It's so balanced. It's beautiful, and every piece of rice is separated. It's not mushed up, it's just so fluffy. But keep an eye, sometimes it's ready in 10 minutes, sometimes it's 11. So keep an eye out. Once the water is gone, then it might be ready. But please do give this a go, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, come back next week, and we'll see you then. Bye.